Welcome back to Anikapedia with me, Anika. Today, we'll be learning about volcanoes. Without further ado, let's go. First, we'll be learning about what is a volcano. Volcanoes are geological wonders that have captivated humans for centuries. Consider it as an opening in the Earth's crust, in which lava and other gases escape. Volcanoes are like mountain or hill-like structures. Before we go into more depth about what a volcano is, first we need to know about the difference between magma and lava. Magma is hot molten rock inside of the ground, while lava is just like magma, but when it's on the Earth's surface. Next, we'll be learning about how volcanoes are formed. The crust is a layer of the Earth we live on, and is the layer where volcanoes are present. The crust is made up of puzzle pieces called tectonic plates. The layer under the crust is called the mantle, in which magma is located. These terms will help us understand volcano eruptions better. Rift volcanoes form when magma rises to the gap between diverging tectonic plates. That means two puzzle pieces of the Earth's crust pulling away from each other. Imagine a piece of apple pie, with apple filling being the mantle and the outside being the crust. If you pull the apple pie, the filling will burst out. On the other hand, convergent volcanoes are formed when two tectonic plates, aka puzzle pieces of the Earth's crust, collide and one plate is pushed below the other. This process is called subduction, which causes volcanic eruptions. This is because when a plate sinks, it takes up space, meaning that the magma gets disrupted and explodes. Consider it like a glass of water. If you drop a block into the glass, the block will take up all the space, meaning that the glass of water will overfill. In both of these situations, the plate movements cause magma to rise. Mountains can become volcanoes if magma finds a way to rise. But most volcanoes are formed by their own explosive material. For instance, when magma cools down, it forms igneous rock, such as obsidian. In other words, volcanoes often form a hill or a mountain as layers of rock and ash build up from repeated eruptions. The ash from volcanoes are made up of many different chemicals, like oxygen, silicon, aluminum, and more. When it reaches the Earth's surface, it can come out in different ways, like flowing or shooting into the air. Ash from the eruption can be carried miles away by the wind. As we already know, volcanoes can be found all over the world, but some are most commonly found along the Earth's tectonic plate boundaries, like the Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire is a chain of 452 volcanoes found near the Pacific Ocean. There are 3 different types of volcanoes: shield, cinder cone, and composite. Shield volcanoes are broad and flat and are formed by the repeated eruptions of low-viscosity magma. On the other hand, cinder volcanoes are steep, cone-shaped, and are formed by explosive eruptions of volcanic materials, such as ash and cinders that pile up. Composite volcanoes, also known as stratovolcanoes, are the most explosive of all and are formed by alternating explosive eruptions and eruptions of viscous magma. Volcanoes can have certain advantages. Volcanoes have the ability to shape Earth's surface, create new land, and even change the climate. Volcanic ash is also very rich in minerals and can provide fertile soil for plants to grow. They are also important for the Earth's ecosystem, as they provide a source of heat and energy that helps us sustain life. Volcanoes also release important minerals, such as sulfur, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide, which are essential for plant growth. However, there are many disadvantages of volcanoes. The ash from them can cause damage to buildings, homes, and even contaminate water supplies. Volcanoes also have the potential to cause great destruction. When a volcano erupts, it can release large amounts of ash and gas into the atmosphere, which can cause global cooling. This is because the ash and gas can block the sun's rays, reducing the amount of heat that reaches the Earth's surface. In addition, volcanic eruptions can cause tsunamis, which are large ocean waves that can cause devastating damage to coastal communities. Volcanoes can also cause earthquakes. Let's learn some fun facts about volcanoes with me. Let's go! It's a little known fact that the Mauna Loa volcano in Hawaii is taller than Mount Everest. This is because most of the Mauna Loa is below the ocean's surface. Whoa! Mount St. Helens in Washington blasted on May 18, 1980, and it is officially the worst volcanic eruption in U.S. history, killing 57 people and spewing 520 million tons of ash across the country. Some volcanoes are so big that they have their own weather patterns, and the ash they release can affect the weather far from the volcano. There are still active volcanoes on other planets and moons in our solar system, including Jupiter's moon Io and Saturn's moon Titan. I had so much fun learning about what volcanoes are, how are they formed, and what are the different types of advantages and disadvantages of them. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!